Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this episode, we're continuing our journey through the taxonomy hierarchy by exploring the concept of order. In the taxonomic hierarchy, order is the level below class. Each class is divided into several orders, grouping organisms based on even more specific shared characteristics. This level of classification helps us understand more detailed relationships within each class. Let's start with an example from the Animalia kingdom, specifically within the Mammalia class. One well-known order is primates. Primates are characterized by their large brains, forward-facing eyes, and highly flexible limbs. Humans, monkeys, and apes all belong to this order. Within the class Insecta in the Arthropoda phylum, the order Coleoptera includes beetles. Beetles are defined by their hardened forewings, which cover and protect the delicate hindwings and abdomen. This order is the largest of all, containing more species than any other order of animals. In the Plantae kingdom, within the Magnoliopsida class, the order Rosales includes many familiar flowering plants. Members of this order often have compound leaves and stipules and include roses, elms, and figs. For fungi, within the class Agaricomycetes in the Basidiomycota phylum, the order Agaricales includes many familiar mushrooms. These fungi are characterized by their fruiting bodies that produce spores on gills. Understanding order helps us categorize organisms with finer precision, making it easier to study their specific traits and ecological roles. A real-life application of understanding order can be seen in agriculture. For instance, knowing the order Lepidoptera, which includes butterflies and moths, helps farmers manage pests that affect crops, as many moths are significant agricultural pests in their larval stage. Another example is in medicine, where understanding the order Carnivora within the class Mammalia helps in studying the anatomy and diseases of carnivorous mammals like dogs and cats, which are common pets. In marine biology, understanding the order Cetacea within the Mammalia class is vital. Cetaceans, which include whales, dolphins, and porpoises, are known for their intelligence, complex vocalizations, and adaptations to aquatic life. These traits make them important subjects of study in marine conservation and behavior research. Now, let's address a common question. How do scientists determine the order of an organism? Scientists use a combination of morphological characteristics, genetic data, and evolutionary history to classify organisms into orders. Advances in technology, especially genetic sequencing, have greatly improved our ability to accurately classify organisms and understand their evolutionary relationships. Now, you've heard this a few times before in our videos, which may sound vague and amorphous, but let me give you an example of how an advance in technology has helped us in this way. One notable example is the reclassification of certain marine mammals due to advancements in genetic sequencing. Originally, all cetaceans, including whales, dolphins, and porpoises, were broadly grouped together based on their similar appearances and aquatic adaptations. However, with the advent of genetic sequencing, scientists were able to analyze the DNA of these animals more precisely. This revealed that certain species of dolphins and porpoises were more closely related to each other than to other dolphins, leading to a more accurate classification within the order Cetacea. This genetic information not only refined our understanding of their evolutionary relationships but also helped in conservation efforts by highlighting specific genetic differences that could be crucial for their survival. As with other taxonomic levels, the classification of orders can change with new discoveries and technological advancements. A notable example is the reclassification of certain carnivorous mammals. Initially, all bears were classified under the order Carnivora in the family Ursidae. However, with advances in genetic research, it was discovered that the giant panda, originally thought to be a bear, has significant differences from other bears and shares more traits with the order Arctoidea, which includes raccoons and weasels. This reclassification highlights the dynamic nature of taxonomy and how new information can lead to changes in our understanding of biological relationships. Thanks for joining us as we explored the concept of order. Understanding this level of classification helps us appreciate the diversity within each class and the relationships between different organisms. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you've liked 5 or more of our videos, then consider subscribing for more fascinating content. In our next episode, we'll explore the family level of taxonomy and see how it further refines our understanding of life's diversity. See you next time.